Hello everyone. Just wanted to show you guys we came across a new toy for the dog, Silver Labrador. It's called a Cheerble. I had trouble figuring out where you plug this ball in. Coming to find out, all you do is unscrew it. Comes with two little circle holes, as you call it. Comes with a little ball like this that you plug your USB in. It has a little edge there. And all you do is stick it inside. And then if you see, there's 1, 2, 3 knobs there you can press. So this knob here, you press it for a few seconds and you see a blue light. The blue light is a normal mode, so it'll jump or move. Then if you press it again, it's like a pink purplish, that will shake or slow down, and green is to bounce. So we will try it with a blue mode for Boo Boo. I'll leave it as that. All you do is close it back. You can see it shaking. Actually, there are also 2 ways to activate this ball. You could tap it or shake it, or you can wait for 5 seconds and the ball will activate automatically. Good exercise for the dog, hopefully. So let's go and see Boo Boo, the Silver Labrador, in his living room here. You got to sit down, Boo Boo. No. Okay, or lay down. Let's see if he enjoys this little toy here. And when you hear him whimpering, he's not upset. That's him being excited. Let's see if it does anything else. Oh, it's moving. It's getting him to move a little bit, so seems like it's working. So I think I give this ball a thumbs up. What do you guys think? Subscribe to our channel with our little silly Boo Boo, the Silver Labrador, for weekly adventures. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. Thank you.